And y'all kind of noticed. Y'all noticed, yes. Yeah. All right, it's been a while since we recorded. I gotta get back into the groove of this. You know, it's been since like December we recorded. Thank you. It's not really his fault. It's my fault. I kind of ran out of money. You know, so I couldn't get a haircut. Priorities was messed up. You know, we trying to no curse run starts now. So today we're making ramen. This is see, for those who know, whenever this video drop, I don't know when it's gonna drop. But James and I think it was Green Demon. This is what y'all said y'all wanted. Y'all wanted my take. I don't know what I'm doing. I just grabbed stuff, all right? And I had him help me grab some stuff so we can make this happen. Don't. That's all I'm saying, all right? Hey. Come on. I'm raising the bar. You see the bar? It's being raised. So we're gonna start by heating up the pot. Get that going, right? I seen a lady do this. I don't remember her name, right? I don't know what I'm doing. All right? If it come out bad, it comes out bad. But look, we did it. Don't ask. How y'all feeling? How y'all been? Y'all been good? Y'all still waiting on y'all stimmies? Me too. Nah, I got mine. What was it, 600? That shit was gone, man. Credit, I ain't pay my credit. I bought clothes. Come on. So, we cut up three scallions. We're gonna turn our fire down a little bit, right? 3 scallions, green onions, however you want to call them, right? We're gonna add our garlic, right? What? This is the eviction video. Hold on, y'all. Let's get our water in here. I had it in a different thing. Let's get our water in now. Open it. All right. That wasn't edited in. All right. We kind of fucked up. All right. Listen.
We.
You was watching it.
Why are you speaking French?
We. So we're gonna let this do its thing, right? We're gonna let it boil up, let it build its bubbly stages. We ain't got no, I ain't got no fresh ginger. Ground, let's go. Get in there. This is vegan beef broth base. It's a bouillon. That's the triple B. Beef broth bouillon. Get in there. That was 2 teaspoons, right? Then we're gonna add a little bit of sugar, right? Because we want a little bit of sweet. Yes. That's about half a teaspoon. Come on, get your MSG. Wham! For the flavors. Now, he's still here, but he got a new job. I forgot where I seen you, buddy. But you dead now. Let's go. I'm kind of like a whiz at this. I use both. Don't ask. That's how the second fire started. All right. So now we got it going, right? We got it going crazy right now. Now we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. By a little bit, I'm gonna say about a tablespoon. Not a tablespoon. A tablespoon. That's it. Y'all keep asking me, yo, could you put the ingredients and the amounts in the description? Guys, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I just pour shit. Just use your hand until you see. Time it with the video. 1 second. Just like that. 2 globs. Yes. 1 squeeze. Hey, 2 squeeze. Hold on now. Let's get in there. Alright, and then we're gonna put some chili oil. Because, hey, we like chili oil. Yes. To make it spicy. That's That's how we like it, right? Stir your shit up. Let's taste it. Smell good. It smell good, right?
Yeah.
It do. It smell like beef. And by beef, I don't mean it smell like a gem. It smell like beef. Like the cow was cut open in the kitchen. I like it. But I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar because I want it to be a little more sweet. I like for a little bit of a sweetness inside of it. Right? So, next, we're gonna take our Chinese noodles. Sponsor? I don't know. Whoa! This ain't your what is it? Maruchan? Top Ramen? It's not your average. Put that in there. Wham. So you see it's breaking down, it's doing its whole thing. I got my tizzies, my tones. God dang. Right? Next. I want to start getting our muscles in there. Right? And we're going to let the muscles stay inside until they open up. But now that we got that done with, what's up? I'm flexing on y'all. Although I gained a lot of weight. Alright? We're going to hit the gym. I got to go back. I've been getting... Hey, man. If y'all was to see my snack closet, I've been enjoying myself. Alright? What my boy said? Bald with a bigger bag? That's what I'm trying to be. I ain't bald yet. Don't play yourself. Alright? There's something under there. Yes. I was just hiding the fro. What do they call that? Natural. Yes. Alright. So we got our muscles in there. Right? Let the muscles pop open. You see it popping open. Let's go. Right? Next thing we're gonna add is our shrimp. Get the shrimp inside. Right? What I grabbed is a half a teaspoon of Old Bay. Because I like Old Bay. Come on. It's gonna let the you know, do the you know. The seafoodiness is gonna boom, a dolphin gonna jump out the pot. That's how good it's gonna get. And the last ingredients is salt and pepper, which is not really needed, but come on. Yeah, I think I was crazy if I didn't add it. So. Yep. That's it. 3 twists. If you have it, 3 twists. If not, 3 shakes. Come on. All rules apply. I should go upstairs, get my little brother or something like that. Have him taste it, because I ain't hungry. Alright? I'm hungry. I'm fat. Listen. Come on. Big belly Ken. Alright. So guys, shouts to Deshaun, because Deshaun gave me a... He threw the hoisin tip in there. Pause. Can you hit the rewind button real quick? Listen, Deshaun, shouts to my boy Deshaun for the idea of adding hoisin into the soup. All right, let's get our Ramen, right, in the bowl. Let's get Ramen. Hold on. It don't look pretty, but watch this. Hey. Listen. Oh, it might be overcooked. Hold on now. It is, but whatever. Listen. Wham. I seen Hava do this. When she, hold on, muscle. God, I get it. Right there. Wham. She put the little. One more thing. You gotta get the Lao spicy chili crisp in there too.
Say it again.
The Lao the chili crisp with the oil. yes. Get some of the oil on the top. We already got hot oil in there, some chili oil. Let's get some more. Guys, like I said, and don't get it twisted, I'm a pro with these. You see, when you see me do that, you know what time it is. All right, look, listen. Come on. I'm gonna taste test it, but since this is popular, I felt like I should. Can I join in, ladies? Ladies, is it okay if I join in? Can I do the play the music now? Cause I know it takes a little bit. Actually, skip it ahead a little bit. You know what challenge I'm doing, right? Cut the effects. You know what challenge I'm doing, right? All right, let's taste it. Let's start off with the shrimp. I don't want the ramen yet. Come on. I don't know what it is. I can't ever get that one wrong. I don't know why. I don't know. Let's try the ramen, right? Let's get this mussel. Yo, this shit's good. Hold. What the fuck? Why can't I get shit wrong? The beef patty was the only bad one. After that, it's just W after W. Guys, I need people to taste my food. Come on. My little brother, he probably eating dinner. Cut the video. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate everything. We're back, I hope. Hopefully we can get a lot of videos out to you guys again. Listen, I hope. A man can only dream, all right? And expect more and different types of stuff. I got a cool video planned too. We'll see how that pans out. I don't know if it's gonna go how I planned, but thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate everything. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna one day put the ingredients in the description. Till then, guys, take care of yourself. I'm fat. Well, bleep that part out.